Yeah, man. Welcome to the sound of freedom. Roots, culture, and unity. From the islands to the world, let the vibes take control. One love, one heart, one destiny. Oh, feel the breeze. Freedom is calling. From the streets to the hills we rise. See the truth in the people's eyes. Through the struggle, through the pain, we keep dancing in the rain. No chains can hold we down no more. Open hearts, we settle the score. Freedom roots, reggae in our soul. Feel the fire burning out of control. From the ghetto to the golden shore, we want peace forevermore. Freedom roots, let the music play. Guide our hearts in a brighter way. No more war, no more cry. Let the reggae lift us high. Hear the drum and the bass line flow, telling stories that the world should know. Every voice got a right to be free. In this life, in this unity, stand together, never fall apart. One love beating in every heart. Freedom roots, reggae in our soul. Feel the fire burning out of control. From the ghetto to the golden shore, we want peace forevermore. Freedom roots, let the music play. Guide our hearts in a brighter way. No more war, no more cry. Let the reggae lift us high. Feel the rhythm of the island breeze, moving softly through the coconut trees. Every heartbeat, every drum, calling where we coming from. Rise up, people, hear the call. Stand together, never fall. Freedom, 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 freedom. Roots, culture, vibration. Let it play. Let it play. Feel the morning sun upon your face. Another day, another chance, another grace. Hear the children laughing free, living life in harmony. Freedom roots, reggae in our soul. In a world full of division, freedom roots, reggae in our soul. We choose love. Freedom roots. In a time full of chaos, we choose peace. Reggae is more than music. It's a message, a movement, a life. Freedom, reggae in our soul. Reggae, freedom, reggae in our soul. Oh, oh. Freedom. drums are beating through the night, guiding hearts toward the light. Roots of Zion, stand your ground. Let the truth be the only sound. One love flowing deep and wide. Keep the fire burning inside. No more fear, no more lies. See the truth in every eye. Stand together, hand in hand. Peace will rise across the land. Bass keep rolling, steady and low. Feel that righteous river flow. Roots and culture never fall. Love will conquer all. One love, one heart, forever strong. One love, one heart, forever strong. One love, one heart, forever strong. One love, one heart. One love, 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 one love. Never stop. Freedom, freedom, unity, love and peace for humanity. When the night feels cold and long, we find the strength inside the song. Every note will guide the way to a brighter, better day. Hold on tight, don't lose your way. Let the music lead today. Singing freedom roots together now. Let the people sing it loud somehow. From the valleys to the eyes till we keep rising stronger still. Freedom roots, feel the light shining through the darkest night. No more fear, no more pain. Only sunshine after rain. Yeah, man, feel that vibe. Move your body side to side. They can try to divide us, but music will unite us. No borders, no walls, just one human race. Heartbeat like a drum. Freedom, we overcome. One love, one heart, one destiny from the start. One dream, one soul. Let the positive vibes take control. Reggae, Hear the lion's mighty roar. Truth is rising like the sun. Justice for everyone. Feel the power in the sound. Heavy bass keeps shaking ground. We're living in the island of freedom. No more war, no more kingdom. Let the people stand as one underneath the shining sun. Let the rhythm guide the way. Love is stronger every day. Freedom calling. Hear the people singing. Jah light shining bright through the darkest night. Hold on tight, keep the flame. Love and unity remain. Yeah, yeah. Island of freedom. Forever we sing. Yeah, man. Roots and culture. Feel the vibration. Freedom song. From the streets to the hills we rise. See the truth in the people's eyes. Through the struggle, through the pain, we keep dancing in the rain. No chains can hold we down no more. Open arms, we settle the score. Freedom roots, reggae in our soul light. Feel the fire burning out of control. From the get control. From the ghetto to the golden shore, we want peace forevermore. Freedom roots, let the music play, guide our hearts in a brighter way. No more war, no more cry, let the reggae lift us high. One love, one heart, one destiny. Roots reggae, forever free. Yeah. Oh, island vibes, songs of freedom. Oh, under the blue sky, the wind softly calls, whispers of hope rising over it all. From the darkness to light, we're still standing strong. With love in our hearts, we sing along. No more chains gonna hold us down. We are free, hear the freedom sound. Singing songs of freedom tonight. Let the love shine bright in our light. From the mountains to the sea, we are one, just let it be. Songs of freedom, feel alright. Every heart shining so bright. No more pain, no more fight, just reggae vibes all night. Footprints in the sand, walking side by side. Dreams of tomorrow with nothing to hide. No matter the color, no matter the name, in this reggae rhythm, we all feel the same. Hear the voices rising up so high. Together as one, we reach the sky. Another day, another chance, another grace. Hear the children laughing in the street to the rhythm of a freedom beat. No more shadows, let the light come through. This is the life meant for me and you. Freedom roots, reggae in our soul wide. Feel the fire burning out of control. From the ghetto to the golden shore, we want peace forevermore. Freedom roots, let the music play, guide our hearts in a brighter way. No more war, no more cry. Let the reggae lift us high. Every step is a story untold, more than silver, more than gold. Through the fire we stand so tall, united we rise, we will never fall. Yeah man, feel that groove. Let the rhythm make you move. Bass and drum, nice and slow. Let your spirit free flow. If you ever feel lost inside, let the music be your guide. Close your eyes and you will see a world of love and unity. Freedom roots, reggae in our soul wide. Feel the fire burning out of control. From the ghetto to the golden shore, we want peace forevermore. Freedom roots, let the music play, guide our hearts in a brighter way. No more war, no more cry. Let the reggae lift us high. Freedom, freedom, roots and culture, one love forever. Oh, reggae music never dies. Yeah. Old man sitting by the fire, speaking truth that lift us higher. Stories from the days of old, freedom words more than gold. Feel the rhythm in your chest. Simple life is truly blessed. freedom rolls soft and low. Feel the righteous river flow. Roots of Zion rising high. Underneath the Jamaican sky. One love burning in our soul. Music make the broken whole. From the hills to Kingston town, no more kings, no more crown. Simple life and faithful heart, that's where revolution starts. Roots of Zion rising high. Underneath the Jamaican sky. Whoa, one love burning in our soul. Music make the broken whole. Whoa. Jah guide the weary man, lead us to the promised land. Through the fire we remain, blessings falling like the rain. Roots of Zion, don't you cry. Freedom never truly dies. Keep the faith and hold the line. Love forever, roots divine. Oh yeah, ooh yeah. Feel the rhythm in the night. Oh, oh yeah. Feel the rhythm in the night. Let the music take your soul. We're shining through the night like a fire burning bright. Through the darkness we will rise. See the hope in our eyes. Shining through the night we stand. Dreams are written in the sand. Every voice, every light, shining through the night. Walking down the road alone, searching for a place called home. Every mile another story. Every step a path to glory. Heavy clouds above my head. Memories of words once said, but the rhythm in my chest keeps reminding me I'm blessed. Hear the ocean calling loud through the silence of the crowd. Everywhere begins to say there's a brighter day. Yeah. Feel the bass line in your heart. Let the healing start. Every note begins to rise. begin to grow, let the positive flow. Every voice begins to rise, echoing across the sky. Oh, we're shining through the night. Nothing's gonna stop this light. Through the thunder and the rain, love will still remain. Shining through the night we fly, higher than the open sky. Every dream takes flight, shining through the night. Oh yeah, 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 yeah, yeah. When the storm begins to roar, we keep knocking at the door of a world where peace can stay every single day. Through the darkness we believe there's a light we can achieve. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. Oh, we're shining through the night, let the whole world feel the light. Every voice, every heart, playing their own part. Shining through the night we stand, peace across the land. Together we ignite, shining through the night. Oh yeah, feel the rhythm shining through the night. Oh, oh yeah. Look out through the sky tonight. Dreams are shining bright. Under a sky full of dreams tonight, every star is shining bright. Through the darkness we believe in the dreams we will achieve. Sky full of dreams we see, calling you and calling me. Every heart begins to fly underneath this endless sky. Walking on the midnight blue, thinking of the dreams we knew. Every hope we try to find, still alive inside the mind. Hear the wind across the sea. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Listen to the sound tonight, voices rising in the light. Oh yeah. Hear the voices of the world tonight, singing louder for the light. Every nation, every land, standing strong, hand in hand. Voices of the world will rise, echoing across the skies. One love shining bright in the reggae night. Walking through the city lights, searching for the truth and light. Every heart a different song, still the rhythm moves along. From the mountains to the sea, people dreaming to be free. Every voice begins to say, love will find a way. Hear the children laugh and sing, feel the hope their voices bring. Through the darkness we can see what the world could be. Let the music fill the air, let the message travel everywhere. Every beat begins to grow, let the whole world know. Hear the voices of the world tonight, shining like the stars so bright. Every soul, every dream, flowing like a stream. Oh, voices of the world unite, standing strong for what is right. Through the storm we stand, peace across the land. Oh, 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 yeah. Different languages we speak, still the same hope we see. Music breaking every wall, love is stronger than them all. Every rhythm tells the truth in the hearts of every youth. Hear the drums begin to play, lighting up the way. light, every dream taking flight in the reggae night. Whoa, voices of the world we bring, hear the harmony we sing. Every heart in the land, standing hand in hand. Yeah. When the world begins to fall, let the music break the wall. Every note the guiding flame, every soul the same. Through the storm we keep the faith, in the love we celebrate. Hold the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. Hear the voices of the world tonight, nothing's gonna stop this light. Every voice, every heart, playing their own part. Oh, voices of the world we share, hope is everywhere. Sing it loud and free for eternity. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, voices of the world, sing it loud tonight. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Yeah. Feel the ocean breeze tonight, let the rhythm carry you. Ride the waves of freedom tonight, let your spirit feel the light. Through the storm we learn to fly, like the birds across the sky. Ride the waves, feel the sound, let the love go all around. Every heart can see freedom in the sea, standing on the shoreline wide, watching all the turning tides. Every wave that hits the sand writes a story in the land. Life is like the restless sea, moving wild and endlessly. Sometimes calm and sometimes strong, still the rhythm moves along. Hear the wind begin to sing, songs of hope the waves will bring. Every dream begins to rise under open skies. Let the rhythm take control, feel it deep inside your soul. Every beat begins to say, there's a brighter day. Ride the wave of freedom tonight, feel the fire burning bright. Through the darkness we can see hope across the sea. Ride the wave and let it flow, let the whole wide world know. Every voice, every dream, shining like a beam. Shining like a beam. Whoa, 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 yeah. From the islands to the town, hear the reggae shaking ground. Different languages we speak, still the same truth we seek. Music stronger than the pain, like the sunshine after rain. Every melody we share, freedom in the air. Walking through the crowded streets, still we move to the same beat. Every heartbeat starts to say, love will lead the way. Let the sound begin to rise, echoing across the skies. Every voice begins to sing, hope is everything. Ride the waves of freedom tonight, let the world unite. Every dream taking flight in the morning light. Ride the waves, feel the flame, every soul is saved. Together we will see peace across the sea. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Peace across the sea. Whoa, yeah. When the night feels cold and long, Let the music be a song. Close your eyes and feel the beat moving through your feet. Every storm will fade away, giving birth to brighter days. Every voice that sings along makes the spirit strong.